The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So today's gonna be an amazing day. Reason being, I've done before several jerk chicken videos, but today we're gonna make jerk chicken officially the gold standard of Jamaican cuisine, because what? We're gonna add a bit of gold to it, and we're gonna add a couple different techniques to see if we can get that skin even more crispy and just bring out so much more flavor. Of course, you guys know I'm up by pretty close, because whenever I just want to hold a vibe, chill, eat some food, I just take you in the river. You don't know which part you guys need to go. Not far. And secondly, today I'm going to be launching the pre-order of my very own special jerk seasoning blend. So make sure you guys go over to the website, because if you want a chicken to taste exactly like mine, you guys are going to definitely need to get that. And the third and final, but you guys have been asking for it a long time, we have a special guest on the channel today.
Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where you're stuck with me again and I'm always smiling. Just like you know guys, this video is powered by Bikini Bottoms. As you know, we're always by the river or the beach. Now what better way to affiliate ourselves than with a swimsuit company. Check them out on Instagram at bikini_bottoms. We're gonna put it right here.
And of course, you know we're there, so with Mr. Worky Last. You don't know the vibe already. So Travis is here. Yeah, Travis has been a big support of the channel from way before me even meet him. And it's going to be amazing for him to try the jerk chicken for the very first time.
Straight. Yeah, man. Gonna be epic, peeps. I don't know anyone with it. You see it? Live.
So you know, I have to ask you a question, because it's just what we do. So, if you were stuck on an island, what are the 3 things you're taking with you?
Food, bikini. 3 things, so we need food, bikini.
Okay.
And lip gloss, can't have dry lip.
And your lip gloss?
Lip gloss, cannot have dry lip.
So food, bikini,
And
lip gloss. Okay. So you know, on my videos I like cooking. What food would you be most interested in eating by the river?
Steamed fish.
Steamed fish? Okay, I feel that.
Pumpkin. Steamed fish and pumpkin.
Alright, that's a vibe.
Alright, so first you see him pretty chill at the river at the moment. You see him pretty good. But how can I say, like, what's your biggest fear being at the river? So I know a lot of persons see me going in the outdoors and they always ask, you know, are you afraid of snakes and whatever? Of course snakes are not in Jamaica, but do you have a fear?
Biggest fear right now would be the water coming down. Like, you know, rivers do that, right?
Okay.
Like, just rise up and come in and watch where I'm there.
So biggest
Biggest fear.
river coming down.
Alright.
Alright guys, so I'm there with Travis
Live.
and Tim. Republic food. Where's the
Gold
Travis?
jerk chicken. Ready.
You ready?
Ready now.
Steve over there fixing the camera. Yeah. So how you feel being pretty close?
We
First
want
time coming here?
experience, yeah man. Yeah,
well,
nice and cool and different. First, me have been to something like this at the same way.
So what do you think about the place?
Official. Official.
It's
With
like
a bills
pretty- it's
like
like
this.
it's like pretty-
Pretty close.
Pretty close to Kingston, guys. Not far.
Not
Check
far.
them out.
Straight. Yeah,
You
what
don't
it
know.
there.
Walkie last says so, so you don't know say so. Right?
Straight. Straight. good.
How is it?
It's good.
Really
Really,
good?
really good.
Really good?
Crispy.
Travis, run here now.
Come, Travis.
Well seasoned up, you know.
Oh, the gold taste. The gold taste rich.
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 Bad man, a nice man. Gold nice one. Official.
Travis, I don't know. Rich alive.
Nah, man, I lie. It's a lie. Yeah, man. We have the food, you.
But you have to have a food to eat gold. Oh.
The normal people they eat them things.
Alright guys, so that came out completely better than I thought. It was amazing trying that, you know, having some gold and jerk chicken. Now, let's be honest, is it necessary? Definitely not, because gold doesn't really add a flavor. But I also wanted to prove to you guys as well, you gotta be careful when you go to restaurants and you order these golden dishes. Yes, it does take a lot of time to apply the gold to the meat, but places sometimes add an additional $200, $300 because it's gold. Yeah, that gold probably cost me somewhere around like 30 bucks. So go figure. So whenever you guys are catering, whether you're at home or whatever, you can just add your own gold to your meats. And yeah, wow the crowd. Anyway guys, it was amazing cooking for you guys after so long again. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link. How it tastes?
Good.
Good, it's good.
It's normal. The only thing that makes it look like it's not normal is just the gold.
How does it taste?
Good. How much money did this cost? The gold?
Huh?
500. How much money did the gold cost?
It says 99% gold and 1% silver, so I think it's a lot of money.